Today we will solve this fourth order equation. Try to convert it to quadratic form. Don't try to simplify it by just multiplying all the terms so that you will get this form of the equation. Again, very difficult to move forward to solve this fourth order equation. I will explain a simple trick to solve this. Look for the solution. If you observe this equation, we have 4x terms here. Okay. So if you multiply them, we will get the fourth order polynomial equation. It's a fourth order polynomial equation. It's difficult to proceed. Without converting this, we can solve the above equation with a simple trick. Okay. I will say always, right, you observe 15 to 20 seconds the problem so that you will understand few interesting concepts. So if you notice this, right, what happens if you multiply these two terms? Okay. This is just x into x square plus 3 into x 3x. This 4 into x 4x will get, right? So that 3x 4x will change to 7x plus 3 into 4 12 will get. Okay. So always this, when you don't have any coefficient for this x term, right? So always the middle term will get by just summing up this 3x and 4x, 7x will get here, right? If you notice it here, we have the right side x squared plus 9x. Any x squared term will get it. Any multiplication of these two, x squared term will get it. But the second term, if you want to get the same 9x, right? If you check here, this 3, if you check this 3 and 6 here, 6 plus 3, 9 here, right? So you'll get the 9x here. And if you check here, 4, 5 here, you'll get the again 9x here, okay? So we will multiply this term and this term, again, these two terms, so that we will get the same term like x square plus 9x. Let's rearrange this term again in this order, okay? So I'm just rearranging our things like x plus 3, like x plus 6 here, okay? Again, x plus 4, so if you notice any problem, just coming in incremental way, like 4, 5, 6, 7, like that, just check that any two sums will become equal to the another two sum, okay? That's why you can arrange that and you can simplify it. So you can solve very easily those kind of problems. Equal to, it is same, 18 x squared plus 9x plus 264, right? Now if you just multiply these two terms, what do you get here? It's x into x squared plus 3x. Again, when we are doing second term 6x, right? Totally we will get the 9x plus 6 into 3 is 18, right? Similarly, if you do this, you will get x squared plus 9x plus 20 you will get equal to 18 x squared plus 9x plus 264. Here you can notice something here, right? So what you are seeing here, you are seeing the common term from the same here, x squared plus 9x. Okay. Now let's take x squared plus 9x equal to m. Is the m is another variable. Let's take the another variable. Then what will happen to the above equation? It will become like m plus 18, m plus 20 equal to 18. This is m plus 264. See this. Then what is this equation? When you multiply this, right, we will get the second order equation that you can solve very easily. Okay. So let's take this equation as number 1. If we simplify this equation, you will get like m squared plus 18m plus 20m plus 18 into 20 you will get, right? Equal to 18m plus 264. Okay. If you see this, you can cancel either side. This 18m, and you'll get this equation like m squared plus 20m plus So what is the 18 into 20 here? 360, right? 360. If you bring this term to this side of the equation, 264 equal to 0. So this equation will change to m square plus 20m plus 96 equal to 0. What is the factors for the 96 here? So we need to check here if we multiply, we'll get the middle term here. Okay. So in this, if you check it right, these three if you multiply, you'll get the 8, right? These three if you multiply, we'll get 12, right? So if 8 plus 12 is again 20m here, right? So we'll split this middle term like m square plus 8m plus 12m. If you multiply 8 into 12, you'll get the 96, and 8 plus 12 is 20m, right? So 96 equal to 0. Here if you take common m plus 8, you take common 12 here, it's again m plus 8 equal to 0. Common, yeah. Again, if you take m plus 8 common from the both, we can get m plus 12 equal to 0, right? So m equal to minus 8 and m equal to minus 12, right? M is equal to minus 8 and m is equal to minus 12, right? Now we will get two quadratic equations. You know, right, how to solve the quadratic equation. So that I will not give any explanation here. I will just add some music. Enjoy seeing the results of the quadratic equation. Thank you.